Hey guys, what's good? Coming at you with something I haven't done in a while, an actual shoe video. Yeah, it's hard to get shoes right now, man. I mean, like supply chains, cost, whatever. Yeah, just really hard to get anything hype right now. But I got something for Christmas and I thought you guys would be interested in seeing it. It came in this box. It's got that iconic color from Off-White, that kind of like that mint green color. It's a really nice box. And you open it up, get rid of that. Yeah, it's got a bunch of cool stuff in here. It's got a dust bag, some colored tissue paper, and of course the iconic tag. I went ahead and took those off. All right, that's enough with the box. Let's get rid of that. And let me show you the shoes. They are these. These are, yeah, I really like them. These are really cool shoes. And ones I've had my eyes on for a while. These are the Off-White Out of Office OOO walking shoes. Really cool, really chunky. And as you can see, I have worn them. I wear them without the tag. So I can wear them to work. And yeah, I really enjoy these shoes and I like them a lot. White shoes, a black arrow. You know, this arrow is their kind of symbol, their version of the Nike swoosh, and I find them to be very comfortable. They are heavy. They are a heavy shoe, really well made. You know, all leather upper. It's got a really thick, look at that, a really thick, chunky tongue. I wear a Europe size 45, so that's a US 12. And to me, they fit a lot like Nike Dunks or Nike Jordan lows, Jordan 1 lows. And so I went true to size with these and that worked. I had to put a little insole into mine because they are a little roomy inside, but with a little flat insole, they worked out really well for me. I went with the white and black colorway because it's super classic. You know, I can wear it with a bunch of outfits. And it's got some interesting details. You know, you saw the black arrow and it's got some ventilation on the front, white laces. So one of the details is it's got the iconic shoelaces in parentheses that Off-White uses. And it's got the face back here and also has it here, and also on the soles you can see it has the faces. These are made in China actually, which I was surprised by because other Off-White stuff I have is generally made in Italy, but a lot of high-end shoes are being made in China, and these are excellent. Like I said, they are heavy. I wasn't expecting them to be as comfortable as they are, but they're super comfortable, and I really like to wear them at work. Let me throw them on feet, and I'll show you what they look like. Thanks. Be right back. Okay, and I'm back, and you can kind of get a feel for what these shoes look like. You know, I'm wearing these inside today instead of outside for a couple of reasons. One, it's freaking freezing out there, so I hope everybody's staying warm and staying safe this cold, cold winter. The other reason is because my outdoor microphone isn't syncing correctly with this phone I'm using, so I got to do some tech support to get that right. But yeah, you can kind of see these on feet and kind of see the look. I'm wearing them with a pair of black North Face sweatpants and some thick wool REI socks, just because it is so cold outside, and I was outside a little bit ago. But yeah, I mean, I hope you kind of see what they look like and how they fit. I really like them. I think they are very nice shoes, and I think they have a lot of style, you know, and they have a lot of wearability. They're shoes that are easy to wear. I mean, of course, I picked a white-black colorway, so keep it classic. But yeah, I mean, they have all kinds of different crazy colors, and you can wear them with or without the tag. I'm a kind of a no tag kind of guy, just because, you know, I don't want to flex too hard on anybody at work. But yeah, I find these really easy to wear and really comfortable to wear. Very springy, very cushiony, without being, you know, without being too much. So these aren't like springy like Hoka's are cushiony and springy, but they give you a lot of support and they let you walk pretty easily. They're heavy but comfortable, if that makes sense. The tongue is super thick though. That is one thing I noticed about these. The tongue is super thick. And so it's not a bad thing. I mean, it makes them comfortable, but just something to be aware of. Anyway, like I said, a quick look, quick random video at a pair of shoes that I have been wearing and I really like a lot. The Off-White OOOs, the out of office walking shoes. They're not cheap. They're almost $600 shoes. I mean, that's pretty expensive, but I don't know, when it comes to these kind of shoes, that's actually, and this is gonna sound crazy, that's not a bad price because, you can pay double that for a pair of Balenciagas or something like that. And so for when it comes to like luxury sneakers, I mean, the sky's the limit when it comes to prices. So, I mean, I know they're ridiculously expensive, but at $580, I think that was what the MSRP is. I thought that it was a good deal. I actually got these, and the place I got them from gave me a $125 gift card also. So I got a pair of shoes, so I got these shoes, a t-shirt, and like a little bottle of cologne. And so to me, I thought that was a good deal, and it was a nice Christmas gift to myself. But yeah, I really like them. They're really nice shoes. And I like the fact that they are very unassuming. Like, people that know what they are will appreciate them. But, you don't have to like stand out in a crowd. I mean, if you don't know what the symbol is, if you don't know what Off-White is, then nobody's gonna they're not gonna draw unwanted attention, if you know what I mean. Anyway, sorry, quick rambling look at the Off-White out of offices, the OOOs. Really cool shoes. I would recommend them. I think they're a really nice, easy to wear pair of shoes that has a lot of style, is a reasonably priced luxury shoe. Ooh, it's hard to even say that, but a reasonably priced luxury shoe from a really cool, really iconic brand.